Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing well. Today, we are going to discuss the Civil War history, the exact 10 minutes that changed America forever. Let's get started before any delay. 4 years, hundreds of thousands of lives lost, a nation torn completely in half. The American Civil War remains the deadliest conflict in the United States history. But how did a young nation push itself to the brink of total self-destruction? It wasn't just a war between states, it was a clash of two entirely different ways of life. By the mid-19th century, the United States was deeply divided. The northern economy relied heavily on industry, manufacturing, and labor. The southern economy depended almost entirely on agriculture, driven by the labor of millions of enslaved Black Americans. The core issue was slavery, specifically whether it would expand into new Western territories. When Abraham Lincoln, an opponent of slavery's expansion, was elected president in 1860, the breaking point arrived. 7 southern states immediately seceded from the Union, forming the Confederate States of America. April 12, 1861, Confederate forces opened fire on Fort Sumter in South Carolina. The war had officially begun. Both sides expected a quick victory. Both sides were devastatingly wrong. For the next 2 years, brutal battles like Bull Run and Shiloh yielded staggering casualties but no clear winner. July 1863 marked the ultimate turning point. In Pennsylvania, the 3-day Battle of Gettysburg crushed the South's final attempt to invade the North. It became the bloodiest battle of the entire war. Simultaneously, Lincoln's Emancipation Proclamation reframed the war. It was no longer just about preserving the Union. It was now explicitly a war for human freedom. In April 1865, Confederate General Robert E. Lee surrendered. The Union was preserved, and the 13th Amendment permanently abolished slavery. Over 6 lakhs Americans lay dead. The war ended the institution of slavery, but it left deep scars that the nation still grapples with today. If you want to understand modern America, you must first understand the Civil War. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more history breakdowns. Drop a comment below. What do you want next? Okay, bye. Thank you for watching.